Thank you very much. Did you practice properly? Who is confident? Dekhi English boji kina. Who is confident? Sir, I can talk about any topic. You just give me some kind of topic, right? I'll be asking questions, right? 5 to 6 questions I'll be asking, and someone has to answer me. তো আমাদের ব্যাচে কিন্তু সকালে আছে, 4টায় আছে, 6টায় আছে, রাত 8টায় আছে, বিকালে আছে, সন্ধ্যায় আছে, রাতে আছে। This class আমার শনি সোমবার 11:30 ক্লাস হবে। তারপরে কি বার? 11:30 বিকাল। ক্লাস চেঞ্জ করতে পারবো না। আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, দিস ইজ শফিন আহমেদ ওয়ান্স अगेन। সো আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে যে ব্যাপারটা নিয়ে কথা বলতে চাচ্ছি, আমাদের এখানে বাংলাদেশে অনেক ছেলেমেয়েরা আমার ফলোয়ার অ্যান্ড অনেক সাবস্ক্রাইবার আপনাদের দোয়ায়। সো আপনাদের অনেক ছোটো ভাই বোনরা এসএসসি পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছে। সো এসএসসি যারা পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছে তাদের জন্য আমরা একটা অনেক ডিসকাউন্ট করে একটা কোর্সের ব্যবস্থা করেছি। এর জন্যই আমি অফারটা বলার জন্য আমি ভিডিওটা বানাচ্ছি যে আপনাদের যেই ছোটো ভাই বোন ভাগনা ভাগি যারা এসএসসি পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছে এদেরকে বাসায় বসিয়ে না রেখে আপনি তাদেরকে এই সময়টা, তারা হয়তো 2-3 মাস টাইম ওয়েস্ট করে ফেলতে পারে, নানানভাবে সে নানান কিছুর সাথে এঙ্গেজ হয়ে যেতে পারে। সো হোয়াট আই এম ট্রাইং টু সে, আমরা 60% অফার দিয়েছি আমাদের এই কোর্সে। এই 60% অফারে সে রাইটিং, স্পিকিং অ্যান্ড প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশনটাকে ডেভেলপ করতে পারবে। আর রাইটিংয়ের সাথে গ্রামারও থাকবে, যেহেতু সে ফ্রি হ্যান্ড রাইটিংটা শিখবে। সো এই রাইটিংটা তার কিন্তু এইচএসসি পরীক্ষায় কাজে লাগবে, অনার্সে কাজে লাগবে, এবং ঢাকা ইউনিভার্সিটিতে ভর্তি কোচিংয়েও কিন্তু অনেক সময় অনেক কিছু তারা ফ্রিলি লিখতে পারে না, তারা নিজের থেকে অনেক কিছু লিখতে পারে না, অনেক গ্রামার সলভ করতে পারে না। সো আমার মনে হয় রাইডিংয়ের গ্রামার অ্যান্ড রাইডিং, স্পিকিং অ্যান্ড প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশন এই কোর্সটা যদি আপনাদের ছোটো ভাই বোন, বন্ধুবান্ধব অথবা ভাগনা ভাগ্নি প্রতিবেশীদেরকে এই ভিডিওর অফারটা বলেন। সো ইটস এ হিউজ অফার। আমি চাচ্ছি ছেলেমেয়েরা বাংলাদেশে ইংরেজি শিখুক। এটা মিরপুর 11 নম্বরে আমাদের সেন্টারটা, মিনা বাজারের পাশে, 1 ব্যাংক লিফটের 4-এ। সো আপনারা যারা চান, ল্যাব 8-এর অপোজিটে কিন্তু, সো পুরবী সিনেমা হলের আশেপাশেই। সো আপনারা যারা চান আপনারা এই পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখেন, এবং গত বছরে যারা ক্লাস করে গেছে তাদের ওপিনিয়ন আছে, তারা কীভাবে ক্লাস করছে, আমাদের এনভায়রনমেন্ট আপনি দেখতে পারবেন এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে। আপনারা দেখেন এটা, প্লিজ আমি সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি এটা আপনার ফেসবুকে একটু শেয়ার করেন। আপনার মাধ্যমে আপনার হয়তো ছোটো ভাই বোনকে পরীক্ষা না দিলেও কারো ছোটো ভাই বোন পরীক্ষা দিতে পারে, সে অনেক উপকৃত হতে পারে। সো আমি শাফিন আহমেদ, আমি নিজে ক্লাসগুলো নেব, প্লাস আমাদের অন্য টিচাররা প্র্যাকটিসের জন্য থাকবে, তার রাইটিং খাতা চেক করার জন্য থাকবে, প্র্যাকটিস করানোর জন্য থাকবে। সো প্লিজ সবাইকে এই ব্যাপারটা একটু আপনার ফেসবুকের মাধ্যমে জানিয়ে দিলে দেশ উপকৃত হবে, আমরা উপকৃত হব। আর আমাদের সেন্টারে এসে আমি নিজে, শাফিন্সে আসলে কিন্তু আপনি আমাকে নিজে পাচ্ছেন। সো এটা একটা অনেক বড় প্লাস পয়েন্ট। আমার কোচিংয়ে আমরা নিজেরা পড়াই। সো এই ব্যাপারটা কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় এর মাধ্যমে অনেকে উপকৃত হতে পারে। সো আশা করি সবার সাথে দেখা হবে। সো মার্চের 1 তারিখে একটা ব্যাচ শুরু হচ্ছে, আর একটা 5 তারিখ, একটা 10 তারিখ, একটা 15 তারিখ, একটা 20 তারিখ, আর একটা 25 তারিখ, আর একটা সামনের মাসের 1 তারিখ। সো যেই ব্যাচেই ভর্তি করতে চান এখনই ফোন দেন, ফোন দিয়ে এই নাম্বারগুলোতে ফোন দেন, 0161551551, 01972570870, 06125700870, অথবা আমাকে ফেসবুকে ফলো করেন, নক করতে পারেন। শাফিন আহমেদ, কালো পাঞ্জাবি পরা, হাতে একটা বই আছে, অবশ্যই এই বইটা আপনি এখানেও আমাকে নক করতে পারেন। নক করে আপনি আমার সাথে চ্যাট করতে পারেন। দ্যাটস অল অ্যাবাউট ইট। সো সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট করবো যে অনেক অনেক বেশি বাচ্চাদেরকে আমি যেন উপকার করতে পারি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। So hi, would you like to say something about Shafins?
Yes, I would love to say something about Shafins. I spent 3 months here. They gave us opportunity to know English, to speak in English. They motivate us, they encourage us, and the teacher are very friendly, especially Shafin sir, Akankha ma'am. Everyone is good, and they motivate us. I can speak in English now, and I'm feeling great about this.
Okay, and what did you learn during the journey of with the SSC batch, in your spoken course?
I learned a lot of things. Now I can speak in English fluently, and Shafin sir motivates us. He said us to respect everyone, and I will remember this.
Thank you. Do you like Shafins?
Yes, I like Shafins because of several reasons. Shafin is well known for English spoken. Moreover, the first reason that I like Shafins because Shafin sir himself take the classes, and the coaching is so much well decorated that I was mesmerized. It is most promising coaching that I had ever seen. After all, I am very proud to be a student of Shafins.
This is the last day of your SSC spoken batch. So, what do you think about Shafins? Do you like it?
Yes, I like it for several types of reasons. But if I start to tell love Shafins, it can be balanced. But I want to tell something about that. Shafins is a very good institution and I learned so many things from her and I got self-confidence from her and I just like it. And the main teacher, his name is Shafin Ahmed. He's such a nice guy and he motivates us very nicely. I'm also motivated by him and I just respect him and we all love the subject.
Thank you. Hi, do you like Shafins?
Yes, I do. It was mesmerizing. I had a great time here. I'm so proud being a student from Shafins, and it's a nice place, I must say.
Shafins was a very awesome place. The teachers were very helpful and caring. The environment was very beautiful and nice. I really learned a lot from Shafins. I have improved in English and I'm really proud to be a student in Shafins.
I like Shafins for several reasons because it is a great coaching, their teaching method is really great. The teachers are very much friendly, they are educated, they know how to teach their students, they know how to spread education, their spoken system is really great. I learned from their very many things. Like I don't, even at first I don't know how to speak in a office or with someone, but I learned from there. I always scared about this, about speaking English, but they teach us how to speak with a guy in an office, how to be a formal. They teach us manners, discipline, how to talk with others, how to respect others. They are really great, and their environment is really great, neat and clean. Whenever I come there, I get very much excited. I enjoyed there. I love the place, and the most of thing, their owner of Shafins, Mr. Shafin Ahmed, is such a splendid person. I like his attitude. He is a really great person. He is an inspiration to all of us. He always inspires us for everything. He always tell us to do that, to help the poor, to do something great in your life. Nothing is impossible. That's why I like him very, very, very much.
So do you think your SSC spoken batch was a great batch for you?
Yes, I think it was a great batch for me because if I don't admit it there, I never would have learned anything. Because yes, I know such things which are necessary for writing, speaking. But after coming there, my system, my methods are leveled up. They are skilled up in every section. So I think it was a really great thing for me.
So would you like to suggest your friends, brothers, sisters, neighbors to join Shafins?
Yes, I always suggest them to admit them to come here because it is really great. It is really a great center for everyone. So anyone can teach anything from there. Anyone can learn many things from there because there is no single day they didn't teach us anything. Even it was the only word, but they teach us. We learned it. We didn't go without learning anything. We gossip there. We make fun. Everyone, sir, their teachers also fun with us, but they don't never mislead their goal. They always try to spread the education. They know how to teach it, how to teach them, how to learn, how to tackle with the students, how to spread it. They know it very well. That's why I always suggest everyone to go there and admit there.
Thank you very much for the few times. Take care. All the best.
Shafins is the best English coaching center in the city. I like it very much because the main teacher Shafin Ahmed take our class, and the other teachers also very qualified. They behave us with very friendly. I like them very much. For this all reason I like Shafin.
I love Shafins for several reasons, such as Shafins is the best English learning center in Mirpur, and the Shafins, the owner of Shafins takes our class personally, and he takes our class in his own self. The environment, moreover, the environment of Shafin are very cool and beautiful.
I like Shafins for a number of reasons, such as Shafin is a renowned English coaching center in Dhaka city. The main teacher of Shafins is Mr. Shafin Ahmed, who is a well-educated person. The environment of Shafins is very good. office room is very luxurious. They teach us very politely, and the teachers are well educated. That's why I love Shafins.
I like Shafins for several reasons. For the past 3 months, I learned a lot of things in Shafins. The teachers of Shafins are very good and polite. They teach us how to speak in English in a good way. The students of Shafins are also very good. That's why I like Shafins. Shafins is one of the best English training center I have ever seen. There are a number of courses there like spoken, IELTS, manners, phonetics, and so on. The teaching process is so much developed, and the teachers are so qualified, and they're so friendly. They make all the topics easy to students. The owner of Shafins will always takes all the class, and he not only teaches us how to learn English, but also he teaches us how will be successful in our future life. We know English, but we can't express it. But he always encourages us for expressing our talent, for developing our skills, which is very important for our future life. That's why I love Shafins very much.
Shafins is one of the best English training center in our country. There are a number of courses here such as IELTS, spoken English language, phonetics, and so on. Shafins, the owner of Shafins, sir, take all the classes of Shafins. He just not teaches the students to learn English. He is also very motivating person. As I'm a student of Shafins, I learned a lot of things from Shafins, sir. He teach me how to take life from a very different perspective. And to speak about the environment of Shafins, the environment is too good, too peaceful, and the teaching process of Shafins is so modernized and digitalized. The teaching materials are too digitalized and modernized here. So I love Shafins so much.
So, how was the class at Shafins? Your SSC batch, you guys are from SSC batch. So how was the journey of SSC spoken course?
The journey is very interesting and mysterious. I couldn't imagine that I would have such a good time in Shafins, and its experience is really good. I can't express them in words. I had a really great time in Shafins. The teachers are very interesting. Our head teacher, Mrs. Shafin Ahmed, he's really interesting. He's friendly and he's really motivating. He motivated me to do many things. And I learned more and more, and I just can't explain this whole journey in this few seconds. I need a lot of time to explain.
So would you like to suggest to your friends, brothers, sisters to join Shafins later on?
Yes, I of course want to invite my friends and cousins over here to come and learn, join Shafins, and they can learn and they can learn many things and make their English more
Stronger.
Thank you.
Hi. So how was your spoken course at Shafins, and do you like it?
Yeah, I like it very much. It was excellent.
Why do you like it?
Because the teachers were very excellent, they were highly qualified, and they provided us quality education, and they take it as a language for English, and they are very good at teaching, and they also motivate us. The environment is very good, it's excellent, and the teachers are also cooperative, and the students are also, so I learned many things from it.
Thank you. So hi, do you like Shafins?
Yes, I like Shafins.
Why?
I like Shafins for a number of reasons, because the teachers are well educated and well behaved as well. The environment of this center is very neat and clean. The service are very great. That's it.
Did you enjoy your spoken batch with SSC students?
Yes, I enjoyed I had a great time last 3 months. It was splendid. I am proud of being a student from here.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hi.
sir, how are you?
Yes, fine. So did you enjoy your course at Shafins?
Yes, sir, I enjoyed it.
Why do you like Shafins?
I like Shafins because their teaching quality is too much good. And sir, you also good, sir.
Thank you very much. Hi, do you like Shafins?
Yes, I like Shafins.
Why?
I like Shafins for several kinds of reasons. It was wonderful coaching center. It was promising coaching center that I have ever seen. I have a great time here. I feel proud of being a student of Shafins.
It was your last class with SSC batch students, right? So did you really enjoy your spoken course?
Yes, I feel gratified to here. I feel gratified here, and I will be happy to do something for Shafins.
And would you like to suggest your friends and brothers in future to join Shafins?
Yes, I will inform that Shafins is a very promising coaching center, and they will admit you.
Do you like Shafins?
Yes, sir, I like Shafins because for several reasons. Shafins is a great session. It gives me a chance to actually explore many things. The teacher of Shafins, the main teacher, Mr. Shafin Ahmed, is the best one, I think. He actually teaches us many things. He's very qualified, and he teaches us manners, and he also motivates us.
Yang jadi kan